Welcome everyone. Today, we are going to talk about a motivational story reselling. The idea of reselling is when I buy products or goods and then sell them to customers for a profit. It's a business model where I act as an intermediary between the manufacturer or supplier and the end consumer. I aim to identify products that have demand, purchase them at a lower cost, and then market and sell them at a higher price to make a profit. This practice is common in various industries, especially in the online marketplace. This particular motivational story revolves around a young woman named Sarah. Sarah was unhappy with her job and was looking for a way to start her own business. One day, she came across a product that she believed would have a high demand. She decided to purchase it and save it for a later date. As time went by, Sarah found herself inundated with orders from customers who were raving about the amazing benefits of this product. Sarah realized that this was a golden opportunity and decided to start selling the product herself. She worked tirelessly to educate her customers about its benefits and help them make the most of it. With her exceptional skills and dedication, Sarah's business grew exponentially. She made a significant amount of money and became successful in the reselling business. This story teaches us that no matter who you are or where you come from, there is always a chance to achieve greatness. With determination, hard work, and a willingness to learn, we can turn our dreams into reality. The key is to never give up and to always keep pushing forward. So, my dear friends, let us all embrace the spirit of reselling and strive to achieve our dreams in this beautiful world of entrepreneurship. Thank you.